The extra cash option in the Dave app only appears when your account meets Dave's eligibility requirements, so it can disappear even if you've used it before. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check whether the missing extra cash option is caused by your account, your app, or a temporary service problem. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Dave account. If you have more than one email address or phone number, confirm you're using the account that previously had access to extra cash. Next, update the Dave app from your device's app store. Older app versions can fail to display account features correctly after new updates are released. If you're already using the latest version, force close the app and open it again. If that doesn't help, restart your phone and check again. Now confirm that your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a network issue that prevents the app from loading account information. If the extra cash section is still missing, review your linked bank account. Dave relies on current banking information to determine eligibility. If your bank connection has become disconnected or needs to be refreshed, reconnect it through the app and allow the sync to finish. Also check whether your account has any verification requests waiting. If Dave asks you to confirm your identity or update account information, complete those steps before expecting all account features to appear. If you recently changed banks, replaced your debit card, or updated important account details, give the app time to refresh your account status before checking again. If none of these steps work, uninstall the Dave app and install it again. Reinstalling replaces damaged app files and forces the app to download fresh account data. If the extra cash option is still missing after reinstalling, the issue may be related to your account eligibility or a temporary problem with Dave's services. In that situation, only Dave's support team can review your account and explain why the feature is unavailable. When contacting support, include your device model, operating system version, app version, and screenshots showing that the extra cash section is missing. Providing those details helps the support team investigate the problem faster. To sum it up, verify you're using the correct account, update, and restart the app. Check your bank connection, complete any account verification requests, reinstall the app if necessary, and contact Dave support if the extra cash feature still doesn't appear. If this guide saved you time, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Dave troubleshooting videos.